Coming up with innovative designs is what you do, and working with your team brings these ideas to fruition faster. But communicating your ideas with the team while tracking their suggestions and design changes can be time-consuming and disruptive to the creative process. Let's face it, you're not just a designer, you're a project manager. Let's say you get a design brief from sales. They want you to come up with a totally new product. So you gather your top design team. You usually brainstorm by sketching your designs on paper or a whiteboard, building a design brief. But how do you easily share this with your team? Feedback from your team is great, but can be sporadic and inconsistent. And how do you know you're working from the latest specs? How do you manage your team's ideas and track the progress of your new product? And avoid waiting for project stakeholders to be back in the office to hold design review meetings. Bottom line, without the right tools, you waste time and money. There has to be a better way. Enter SOLIDWORKS 3D Experience Solutions. SOLIDWORKS 3D Experience Solutions deliver a connected, collaborative design environment for you and your team to quickly develop, validate, and share ideas. Through secure access, you can collaborate with designers, customers, vendors, sales, marketing, whoever you want, whenever you want, wherever they are. Using online tools, SOLIDWORKS 3D Experience Solutions take the confusion and headaches out of collaboration. They simplify the vital process of design communication, ensuring everyone is always informed and up to date. So you can focus on innovating, not managing and sending project status updates. Never miss any of the great ideas from your team again, all while communicating design progress and receiving timely feedback in one secure location, accessed from anywhere. This is the future of collaborative and innovative design. SOLIDWORKS 3D Experience Solutions. Better design, secure archives, superior collaboration. To learn more about SOLIDWORKS 3D Experience Solutions, contact your SOLIDWORKS reseller or visit our website at www.solidworks.com.